I wasn't exactly scared of it, but I was upset. Right, I'm going in the colour Lola.
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 Lola has it. What's that song?
Lola.
No, there's a song. If Lola... I can't remember.
I don't know either.
Lola wants, Lola gets or something. What?
I don't know. I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna close.
On the lid of her eye.
Lola wants, Lola gets, boom, buggy, boom. I think that's how it goes. Somebody let me know. Who sung it? Was it Lola?
Was it Lola?
I don't think it was.
It just reminds me of who's like Pokemon.
Pokemon?
Yeah, you have to like guess who Pokemon is. Who's that Pokemon? And you get it wrong, you're like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hello. Pokemons are just
Pokemon.
weird little things.
No, it's not.
They are weird.
No, they're not.
They are.
My mum doesn't understand.
I do not understand Pokemon.
She doesn't like anything to do with like anime or
rubbish
manga, which is really weird.
Rubbish.
No, it's not.
Like proper cartoons like Tom and Jerry and Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo's a proper cartoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scooby Wooby Woo. Oh, especially Halloween time. It's definitely time to watch Scooby-Doo. Everyone should be watching Scooby-Doo at Halloween.
Casper the Friendly Ghost.
Casper's always on the television. Every year.
Or Hocus Pocus.
Yeah.
I bloody love
But
that
then we
film.
wait to watch Halloween and it never comes on.
We got it on movie, so you don't have to worry.
We went and bought it because it's never on when you want it on.
I dropped it.
Oh! I have black eyes.
I need to blend it.
I'm close. It was like my eyeballs getting attacked by a sponge.
It's a wet sponge. It just reminds me of Miranda sings. Not Miranda sings.
She's the one with the big lips.
Yeah, no, Miranda Hart when she's like
sponge and plunge.
Plunge.
Sorry.
Oh, she's such a nightmare. I bloody love her though. Her and Kevin Hart are probably my favourite comedians.
Plunge. Sorry.
Right. I'm gonna try and do this look, right? It's gonna fail.
But it's fun.
But I've tried. Right. Oh, I'm off.
Tickles.
Right.
She's on a roll. Which rolling to which one? Sorry.
What are you laughing
I just had something funny sort of tickle me.
Are you okay? Like, the only thing tickling you is the brush and my hand.
Oh, go.
I mean, it's something. It's not the best. I'm trying. I'm trying so hard. I'm not the best at Halloween makeup, but I've got to be because obviously I want to be on stage. So, open thy eyes, mother. Who's that? Put something coming across the room.
It's probably a bird. Pretty cat.
Oh, it's that cat that always comes in the conservatory and goes, hello.
Hello.
She just sits there and goes,
Hello.
She acts like she owns the place.
Is anybody home?
Sound like Mr. Bean.
Hello. Is anybody there?
Jesus Christ.
I'm slipping off the stool again.
Oh no, I choked.
Oh,
no! Cover it up. Cover it up. Me when I fail a grade. Cover it up.
With
let them see it. Concealed, don't feel. But they'll never know. I'm so weird.
Look after your mother.
Oh. I mean,
That's quite cold. Good. Next one.
e-guru standards, but it's
It's
something.
Go. Next. Do you want me to
Thank
shut it?
you. Next, yeah.
And the eyes.
Thank you. Next. Thank you.
Oh, it tickles again. I've got tickly eyebrows. How can you have tickly eyebrows?
I don't know. Slogan. Open thy eyes, mother.
Oh, it twiggles. Oh, oh, oh. What? It tickles.
Pathetic.
No, I supposed to talk to your mother. Oh. Somebody at the door. Hello. Oh. It's got money. You better give her a text, like Brad's.
I don't have her. I only got Auntie Tracy.
I'll give you hers.
You need to text her, say thank you.
Why do you look like me going to an MC Art concert? Oh god. Welcome to the Black Parade. Oh,
Come then. Next.
That's
Welcome
creepy.
to the jungle. You know what I mean.
That's not emo.
No.
Tofu. Tofu.
Oh, John. It's almost
Something. I can't wait until that frappuccino comes
I'm
out.
going to keep this on all night.
Oh, hell yeah. Open the doors and everyone's scared. Oh my, can you imagine that?
Hello.
Could you imagine us, like, buying pizza
I might
and then
do
you
that.
open the door?
Hello. And go.
I would
Oh
I
my.
would piss myself if you did that.
Might have to.
Yeah, order some Pizza Hut. Open the door and see what his reaction is. He'll probably go, whoa! Damn!
Down girl. Ah. Hello.
You sound like Mr. Bean. That isn't scary!
Sorry. Oh, what am I supposed to say then? Hello.
Raw XD.
I don't know
No
what
one's gonna get
I
that.
don't know what that was all about, but never mind, carry on.
What?
I don't know. What next?
Eyeliner. I'm gonna have to go in your waterline.
Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. Not used to people going in my waterline.
Jesus Christ. That is a...
No, don't make me laugh because make me makeup run.
Oh god.
Carry on,
Yeah, carry on.
regardless.
Ooh. Me will carry on. I need to stop singing. It's not. I'm gonna get caught. I'm not used to this. When you look like an emo, I need to sing emo songs. This is me.
Oh, I know who I look like. That bloke. The bloke that goes like that. What's his name?
I don't remember. Oh my god.
Got a really long tongue though. I haven't got that long a tongue. What's his name? Oh, for God's sake, my brain.
Yeah,
Go next.
Brain hurts. Sorry,
I ain't got one. Powder me up. I don't know who it is. I'm going to have to get up a bit.
Yeah.
My bum's gone numb. I might have to look him up. Go. Spider legs.
Anything to do with spiders, I'd freak out. Halloween! I'm probably gonna. No, but imagine going to that Halloween thing and someone's dressed their little baby up as a spider. I ain't going anywhere near that kid.
No.
I swear, like, loads of guys are gonna dress up as Joker because the new Joker film,
Mm.
and you're gonna have families as the Addams family. It's gonna be great. And you have all the basic girls just dressing up as Joker because they're boring. No, not Joker, Harley.
I was going to say, girls dressing up as
Yeah, what's up with girls should dress up?
Nothing wrong with girls dressing up.
I've seen some really good female Joker costumes.
There's Lady Chuckies as well.
Yeah. No, those female Chucky ones are nice. And what's it? Saw.
Mm.
That was a really good costume. I actually wanted to go as Saw, but purge. What am I doing now?
I don't know.
What am I doing now? I might do lips. Do you want red or do you want?
Wait, get me. Make me red. Buckle up my lips like this.
I can't do anything when you do that.
Yeah. Shouldn't you be using a lip brush? Like proper guru.
I'm not a proper guru. First of all, I'm broke. Second of all, yeah, I'm broke. What else is there? I'm broke. they all have some sort of money, and I'm just a teenager, and I can't work because over here I'm not allowed to work until I'm 16. So, and then when I actually turned 16, I would have left school, so that would have been okay. But I just can't be bothered. I need to focus on studying. So what's the point? I'd rather not have good makeup. I'd rather have no good makeup and good grades than good makeup and low grades. So yeah. Plus, even though my makeup's crap, doesn't mean I'm not good at makeup. I just come out with rashes and acne. Yes.
Am I done?
Somewhat, yeah.
I'm Joker. Sorry. She just dropped her lipstick on the floor.
Oh, no. You sounded like him.
I know, that was good, that wasn't it? I'll try again, hold on. Yes, see, I've got it. Sorry, I'll shut up now. Is that it? Are we done?
Yeah.
Just like a thank you for watching. Come back soon. Say goodbye.
Bye. Oh, my acne. Bye.
Everybody. Bye 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 bye.